Hello and welcome to the Anxious Dev. Today we'll be talking about HashSet. So let's have a look at the list of contents. So mainly we'll be looking at five things. What is a HashSet? How do we create a HashSet? How to add and search for elements in the HashSet, as well as how can we iterate through our HashSet so that we can have a look at elements one by one. Okay, and in the end we'll have a working demo for all the slides that we see. Okay, so let's talk about HashSet first. What is a HashSet? So a HashSet is mainly a data structure. It is provided in multiple languages, which includes Java as well, and we use this data structure to store a collection of unique elements. Okay, suppose that I have a collection of five numbers, which is 1 1 2 3 3. So if you ask me to get all the unique numbers that are there, so what I'll do, I'll put all of them in a hash set, which then if we iterate through the hash set, it will give us 1 2 3. So this is how hash set works, and this is what basically hash set is. Okay, now let's have a look at how can we create a hash set. So in Java, the syntax to create a hash set is something like this. uh, Hash set and then diamond operator. In between the diamond operator of the left hand side, we mainly mention type, and then we have the name of hash set, and in the right hand side we have this generic syntax, that is new hash set, and then diamond operators and square, sorry, round brackets. I have also shown you example below, which mainly creates a hash set of string type, and it is being named my hash set. Now let's have a look. How do we add and search for the element in hashtag? So if we need to add elements to the hashtag, we can use the add function. It will automatically ensure that whatever we add to the hashtag, if it's not been added, it will get added, but if it is already there, it doesn't get added. So suppose if you try to add 1 2 times to the hashtag, then it will be added only once. Okay, and similarly, if we want to have a look at the elements, if we want to have a look if any element is present already in hash set or not, then we can use the contains method. Both of these I'll show you in the code demo. And now if we want to iterate through our hash set, how can we do it? So while I was talking about array, I told you that we can iterate an array with the help of for loop. Here we can use for each loop. So for each loop is just a variant of for loop, or we can say it is a more advanced version of for loop. Yeah, so you can just have a look at the syntax of a for each loop, and then I'll explain it in the code demo which is coming. So let's jump onto the code demo. Okay, so I have already written the code for this demo, and now I am just going to explain it line by line so that it's more clear of how our hash set works and what are the main things that we can do with it. So in the line number 15, I have created a hash set of type string, and I have named it my hash set. After that, I am adding multiple elements to the hash set as per the slide. So I am adding apple, banana, cherry, and then I am adding apple again. So after adding all those elements, my expected output is that the hash set should print apple, banana, and cherry. Since hash set only stores unique elements, so if I try to print it here, you will see that after I run the program, it will print hash set elements, and after that we'll have apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, and if we want to have a look that if an element is present in a hash set or not, so I have just created a new element called search element, which is equal to banana, and I am going to see if my hash set contains search element or not. If it contains the search element, then I'll print that the search element is in the hash set, and if it's not present, it will print it is not in the hash set. Since banana is already been added to the hash set, so it will print banana is in the hash set. And after that, I am removing this element cherry from the hash set. So you can see that I have created a element to remove, which is equal to cherry, and then I'll just execute my hash set dot remove, and this will just remove cherry from the hash set, which I'll confirm by printing the updated hash set elements. So let us run this program now. And if you can see, as per the explanation, when we add apple, banana, cherry, and then apple again, apple is not added twice, so we have only apple, cherry, and banana. And then we check if banana is present in the hash set or not. According to the explanation, it prints that banana is in the hash set, and after we remove cherry from the hash set, only apple and banana remain in the hash set. So with that, we are done with our code demo. Okay, so with our code demo being wrapped up, this will end this current video. I really appreciate it if you guys can subscribe to my channel as well. It will keep my motivation up so that I can bring out more such videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.